Okay, to light the pilot, uh, turn the switch from the off position to the pilot. Press and hold knob in pilot position. Press ignite button, which is the big one. Uh, oh, while holding the big round button, you press the ignite button, which is that little square one, repeatedly, and click, 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 and then until the pilot lights, and we can hear it go whoosh. But I kept expecting to see through this pilot light glass, and I can't see a damn thing through the glass. Anyway, release the knob when the status light blinks, and it'll be blinking red or yellow or something. Anyway, but you see those 3 points of light, the three beams or so of light. My finger covers up one, and then this other one here, and then of course that one right there. 1, 2, 3 slits that you can see the pilot light ignition. I couldn't figure out what was going on here. I mean, this is different from last year. So when I first lit the pilot light after the 4th time or so, and I kept hearing this noise ever so slightly, but I kept peeking through that black hole there and couldn't see anything like I did last year or so. So I just turned this knob to the 3 o'clock position, and whoosh. That's when that's when you could see the flame light up, and of course reflect off of the reflect from underneath. So now it's working. So I turned it up to A, B, or C. I turned it to C. Reading all of these instructions and stuff, and even taking pictures of them. It doesn't really say anything other than you can put your hot water setting to hot, or else A, B, or C, or else very hot. So, what can and all around this little area, me and the little boy swept all the dust and made a pile behind me. We are facing west right now. The west wall there. North is that way, where the light is lit. I'm laying on the dusty floor. Having a time of my life. But anyway. Okay, so Mr. Handyman me, and I'm not a handyman. I don't know how to. I wanted to do some of these things, try some programs or whatever, but I did what I did. Other than the artistry or the cosmetology and the massage program, I did other hard things in life, so. And none of those things had to do with taking care of a house or building or maintaining or anything. And of course, that's what I will probably do in the next 6 decades or so. Anyway, yeah. So the status light is blinking green, and every time I've come down here for something and come over to this part of the room and look around or do something, and before I leave, I look at this and the pilot lights, nice, steady blinking all the time. So, but fucking this thing just shut off last night. No hot water. And I do notice these things because I always wash my dishes every day. And take a shower every other day at least. So, all right, I'm gonna gather up my stuff and put the little plate cover on this, and we'll be good.